Next up, the parking lot storage room. Quick note, check out maps.techno.com, a side project I put tons of effort into for everything you'll need to know about Arena Breakout and far more. From key locations to loot and even tips and tricks, it's got it all. maps.techno.com. Let's go ahead and do it. This is on TV station. It's super dangerous, but essentially, you'll be heading all the way down on the first floor to the far southwest side. Zooming in here, this is the parking lot, and right in the center north side of it, you'll find this room. This is the parking lot storage room. So, coming across here, past this van, you'll find this door, and just inside of it, our loot. So, if we unlock this door and head inside here, we'll get 1, 2, 3 of these little military crates, one on the shelf, a jacket, and some general loose loot around the area. You might find some really good things in here, especially depending on what kind of difficulty you come in here with. So, the tactical accessory case has these items for me. The weapon crate right next to me has these items. There we go. This little weapon crate here has these. Then this weapon box or military crate has this. And finally, this jacket up on the wall has nothing. Anyways, this room is relatively good to come check. It's a seemingly quiet area of the map. Guards over here are usually a bit more sparse. Anyways, hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.